Join me as I dive deep into the mysteries of reincarnation and spiritual journeys to uncover the secrets they hold. Reincarnation and spiritual journeys have been a part of human culture for centuries, shaping our beliefs and understanding of the world around us. From ancient Egypt to modern-day Hinduism, the concept of reincarnation has been a cornerstone of various spiritual practices, influencing the way people live their lives and perceive their existence. Many of us have heard stories of people who claim to have lived past lives, or have experienced unexplained phenomena that can't be explained by science. Yet, despite its widespread presence in cultures around the world, reincarnation remains a topic of debate and skepticism. In today's modern world, where science and technology reign supreme, the idea of reincarnation can be difficult to grasp, especially for those who rely on empirical evidence and rational thinking. Skepticism surrounding reincarnation is understandable, given the lack of concrete evidence to support its claims. Many view it as a myth, a story concocted to provide comfort and solace to those dealing with loss or hardship. However, for those who have experienced it firsthand, reincarnation is a reality that cannot be ignored. The challenges we face in understanding spiritual journeys lie in our inability to quantify or measure them using traditional scientific methods. As a result, many people struggle to reconcile their spiritual beliefs with the demands of modern life. We're often taught to rely on reason and logic, rather than intuition and instinct. But what if we're limiting ourselves by dismissing the possibilities that lie beyond the realm of science? One of the most compelling aspects of reincarnation is the countless stories of people who have recalled past life memories, often with vivid details that cannot be explained. These stories, whether true or not, offer a glimpse into the human experience, highlighting the complexities and mysteries of the human psyche. In many Eastern cultures, reincarnation is viewed as an opportunity for spiritual growth and self-improvement. The concept of karma, where past actions influence future lives, serves as a reminder to live a virtuous life and to strive for personal betterment. In this sense, reincarnation becomes a powerful tool for personal growth, encouraging individuals to take responsibility for their actions and to live more mindfully. Reincarnation has also been linked to various spiritual practices, such as meditation and yoga, which aim to help individuals connect with their inner selves and transcend the limitations of the physical world. These practices, when combined with the concept of reincarnation, offer a profound insight into the nature of reality and our place within it. One profound insight that I'd like to share with you is the story of a woman who remembered her past life in ancient Egypt. Her vivid descriptions of the temples, the pyramids, and the people she met were so accurate that they left historians and archaeologists stunned. What was remarkable about her story was not just the details she provided, but the sense of peace and closure she experienced after reliving her past life memories. It was as if she had finally found the missing piece of her puzzle, and her entire life was transformed as a result. This story, and many others like it, highlight the transformative power of understanding reincarnation and spiritual experiences. By acknowledging the possibility of past lives, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. We can begin to see our experiences, both joyful and painful, as opportunities for growth and learning. In conclusion, reincarnation and spiritual journeys hold many secrets that can shape our understanding of the world and ourselves. By exploring these mysteries, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of human existence and the mysteries that lie beyond the realm of science. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on reincarnation in the comments below. If you're interested in exploring more spiritual topics, be sure to check out my next video.